Hello everybody, happy Monday. I can't really sleep. It's like 3:02 in the morning. I'm just trying to get my videos together because I've been slacking. So I had to go through some of my videos and see what belongs with what as I do my what I'm eating every day, and kind of just put it together for a week to give people ideas of what they can eat. So I am doing keto / low carb, more so keto when I'm being serious. But I went shopping and these were some of the ice creams that I bought. Some are keto, some may be more dirty keto. I tried the keto ice cream. That was this one, and then the fudge bar, and it was okay. This is like really creamy. It's kind of thick and creamy. I got used to it, and I would put some of my perfect keto nut butter on it to make it taste better, but I wasn't impressed. So the next time I went out and I went shopping, I got this Enlightened one, 70 calories. Let me see how many calories was this one. This one is 200 calories per serving, but it's only 1 gram of fat. I guess you're gonna pay somewhere. Let's see what this says. So yeah, this is 70 calories, and this one actually tastes good. This one has 10 carbs. This has 14 carbs, so it's only 4 carbs more than the 1 gram of carb. Let's see, 10 carbs, dietary fiber 2. That takes it down to 8. It may be 8. 7 sugar alcohol. So that's 1 net gram of carb. This one is only 70 calories per serving. 2 grams of fat, 1 gram saturated, 14 carbs. Take away 4, so it's 14. You take away the sugar alcohol and the dietary fiber. So with that being said, it equals out to 4 grams net carbs. It has 3 grams of sugar. This one has less than 1 gram of sugar and 7 grams of sugar alcohol. This has 3 grams of sugar and 6. So I'll go with this one because this one tastes better, and 4 net grams of carbs ain't gonna kill me, and 3 sugars. So yeah, I'll go with a better tasting one for myself, which is the 70 and not the... They got one that says keto on it, I think, but it was just okay. So I never tried this one. This is Halo Top. They did have a bunch of these with different net carb grams on it. I was looking for like a vanilla, but they didn't have any, so I just picked these. It's 300 calories per pint. That means you eat the whole thing, which I don't. So it's 2/3 cups a serving. So your 1 serving, your carb is going to be 18 minus 2 dietary fibers, that's 16. And you minus the sugar alcohol, that's 8. So it's going to be 8 total net carbs on this for 2/3 cup. So I could take the 8 carbs on here. It's 4 grams in sugar. Total sugars 7. Yes, I mean, I'll take it, you know. And this is one with protein. It's a light ice cream. Let me see what the fat is. The fat is low on here. Let's see what the ingredients are. Skim milk, eggs, cream. It has organic cane sugar, milk, protein. So the ingredients are pretty clean for the most part. Then I found this. I've always been a lover of Italian ice. And so I saw this. They had 3 different flavors. I love lemon. So it's lemon sorbet, creamy lemon swirl, and lemon zest. You can actually chew on the lemon zest. So I know this was going to be a really like one of those where I'm just like wanting a treat. So the serving size is a half a cup. The carbs is 20. The dietary fiber is 4. That brings it down to 16. And then you take off the sugar, alcohol. That brings it down to 12. So it's 12 grams of net carbs, and then it is high in sugar, which is 12 grams. That's why I said this is for when you want to be off. But here's the ingredients: water, sugarcane, lemon juice, chicory root, erythritol, lemon juice, concentrate, lemon peel, sugar, lemon zest, citrus pulp, tapioca starch, gar gum, xanthan gum, natural flavors, stevia leaf, extract, turmeric for a color. So, I mean, it's pretty clean to me, but it is high in sugar. Let me show you what it looks like. So you see that down in there, that's the lemon zest, and you can actually crunch on it. This is really lemony. It is sweet. So like I said, that's for one of my days where it's just like, you know what, I want something really sweet. And I want an icy, I don't really want an ice cream. Then you have Rebel. I've never tasted Rebel before, but they had it in Safeway. And so let's see this one without rolling away. It is 190 calories for a half a cup, 10 grams of carbs. Take it down to 7. And then you take off the sugar, alcohol, and that leaves 1 gram of net carbs is how I believe they do it. So this is 1 gram of net carbs. This is the ingredients on here. And a lot of ladies do like the Rebel. And I do like butter pecan. And then here's another Halo Top. I have never tried. I was looking for vanilla. They ran out of it, sold it all. So I got the lemon cake. Let's see, I'm a lemon person. So this one is 280 calories per pint. It says protein, light ice cream. They had some that was non-dairy. Let's look at the thing. So it's 70 calories per half a cup. Seems to be pretty low on fat. It says light ice cream, so that means it's not fatty. Ice cream is 14 grams of carbs. Take off 3, that leaves 11. Then you take off the 5 alcohol sugars. That leaves 6 grams of net carbs, which isn't bad. I don't have a problem with 6 grams of carbs. And these are the ingredients. Let me see if I can get this clear. Here you go. So these are the ingredients that's in it. It looks pretty clean for the most part. So that's Halo. So if you ever come across them, you want to live a little and not beat yourself up, which I don't. I give myself a, so these are all my ice creams. I give myself a cheat meal every week, where I just go off of keto and I eat what I want. And my weight has been dropping steady. It's been a steady drop, I'll say that. So I came across these at Sprouts. These Epic Pork Rinds. They're pretty good. They have different flavors. They do have a little bit of a bite to them, but it says barbecue. And this is the, let me get the thing in here. So it's 80 calories per serving. It says a half an ounce is 14 grams. Carbs is 0, fiber 0, sugar 0, protein 8. So, and then the ingredients is clean. You can't get no cleaner than that. That's the ingredients in it. I bought these from Sprouts. It's called Epic Pork Rinds. Then I got these Quest chips from Sprouts as well. I know people probably seen them everywhere. Got the Chipotle protein chips, the chili lime, and then the nachos. So per serving is 1 ounce, about 20 chips. It's 120 calories. The carbs is only 4, and it's less than 1 gram. A dietary fiber, I guess if you want to take the 1 gram off, it's 3 grams of carbs, no sugars, and 17 grams of protein. So it's low in carbs on that one. And let's look at let's see, the ingredients. This is the ingredients. I don't think you're going to get no better than that when it comes to some chips. Hello, hello. I'm back. It's Friday at midnight. I wanted to come back and show y'all these crisps that I got from the store. You know, some of these pictures could be so deceiving, y'all. Look how they look on the picture, and look how they look. I mean, I guess. But they are really crisp. Like really small. But today I had pizza and wings, so it was kind of like my non-keto-ish night. I guess the only thing that wasn't keto is the crust, but I thought I would save these for you know, my nights where, you know, I want something sweet, I want a snack. It's made with coconut oil. These are the ingredients. It does have sunflower oil in it, but it's the less because it's all the way at the end, as well as canola oil. So it's not the cleanest, but it ain't the worst either. It does have a lot of sugar, but it's for 13 crisp crackers. I'm not going to eat 13 of these. I think I just had 1. I probably did like 5. So of course that cuts all of these numbers down a lot when you don't have the whole serving. And I just eat it with ice cream. That's why I bought it. I have me. This is some Enlightened, about a half a cup of Enlightened vanilla bean ice cream. This is not the keto one. I'm not even sure. This one had 70 grams, so I'm not sure which one is this, but I didn't buy the keto one the last time. I barely was able to tolerate that. The keto one. I mean, not the keto one. The one that was, I think it had 7 grams of carb or something like that. The keto one is 1 gram. And I was struggling with that one. So I know I'm not going to buy the keto one. If I'm going to have a snack, I'm going to try to do a little bit better. But I'm going to just go ahead and, you know, just have my, you know, my dessert. And I'll do it on a night that, you know, I'm having a cheat meal. So it's not every night. It's just once a week. And I also, when I do cheat or do have a meal that's outside of keto or low carb, and it's high sugar or whatever, high carb, I push my fasting window as far out as I can. And 9 times out of 10, that's going to be the only thing that I've eaten for the day. So, that's what it is. So I had 3 small slices of pizza. I had my white pizza, with light on the ricotta. It has tomatoes on it. And then I had 3 little hot wingettes. And so I'm full for the night, you know, and I'm having my little dessert, and that'll be it. So it's not totally, totally terrible, where I'm just going crazy the whole day. No, I didn't break my fast until about 10:30 from last night. So yeah, so I didn't show y'all my pizza, but y'all know what pizza look like. And tomorrow we just hop back on that train. So until the next one, peace. Y'all have a good night. The winner is Stevie Wonder. The winner is Stevie Wonder.